Hi everyone, it's me again. I'm just heading out to the park to feed some pigeons. I've got a box of oats with me because the pigeons in my local park, they go absolutely crazy over oats. So I thought I'd bring them some and see how they react. Just gonna pop this in the bag. Love this bag so much. I think I'm probably going to put my phone down for this. Just bear with 1 second. Okay, so got everything ready. Let's do this. Oh, it's a beautiful afternoon it is. It's just a bit further along. Should be there soon. If I'm lucky, a nearby museum might be open, so yeah. See if I can visit that. Can't believe it's not even 3 o'clock yet. It feels way later. There's a tennis court right there. Not very active at the moment, as you can see. But yeah, should be some birds here. Most of them have flown south for the winter, but there's still a few stragglers. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Oh, and here come the pigeons. Hey guys! Hello everyone! Oh boy, I'm right in the thick of it now. Alright, don't get too close to the box now. Yeah, I still need that. Oh, and you're gonna go right for the box, aren't you? Of course. Oh, might as well let him. Oh, look at these little guys. I love them. I was hoping I'd be able to feed them by hand, but nope, they've just... Oh! Well, there goes the lid. Ah, well. I'll probably see if I can just go down there and get that. Alright. Huh. What kind of duck is that? Never seen them before. Some of the pigeons are coming back. There you go. And here they come again. Oh, I just hope they don't come back for seconds. Hi. Why are pigeons like this, man? There's a couple of Canada geese over there. Oh! God, that freaked me out for a second. Stepped in a rain puddle earlier. Now my shoe is soaked. I'll have to dry that out once I get back home. But yeah, that's about it for today, everyone. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.